A spoonful of lao gan ma lifts simple teriyaki into bold, comforting flavor. Juicy chicken meets fragrant heat and deep savory richness. Let's make this satisfying dish together and enjoy every bite.